Hi, my name's Ethan Reeves. I'm the developer of Genie and founder of Ifrit Technologies, and in this quick video, we're going to be going over how to upload a PDF. PDF files are great. They're a fantastic way to get additional research, maps, charts, graphs, and anything else that you need into Genie. Once you add a PDF into Genie, you're going to save it into a collection that's organized into a folder, and then that PDF and everything else in there will be available and automatically synchronized to all of your other team members. So let's see how to do it. You can add PDFs first, starting with this menu up in the top right-hand corner. Click on the menu. Now click the second item, Add PDF. Here we have two options for how to add a PDF. We can add it from a URL to pull it from online, or we can select a file that's on our local computer. In this case, I'm going to be adding a PDF from a URL. Here we have an article from the Congressional Research Service called Iran's Threat, the Strait of Hormuz, and Oil Markets in Brief. It looks like a great, highly credible overview. It's got a map. It's got a lot of things that you can't get out of just a standard text-based article. So we're going to add it in here. We're going to copy this link, move back over to Genie, paste it in, and click Submit. Great. Now we just need to enter some additional information about the article. We can see that Genie was able to pull out the URL of the article and its title and its publication. But let's add a little bit more detail in here. It's great if we can get the article's author and credentials in, so let's check that. We see it is by Michael Ratner, who is a specialist in energy policy. And if you were actually doing this, it would be a great idea to Google him, try to find his LinkedIn, try to find a more detailed biography, and put some of that in there as credentials as well. Also need to pull over the date published, which is August 6, 2018, so we can select that here. Let's go back to August 6, 2018. There we have. And as the publication, we're gonna, let me just show you this here. So we're gonna pick the publication by clicking here. It's not one of the default publications that came in Genie, so we're gonna need to use an alternate source name. In this case, it's the Congressional Research Service. So we're gonna type that in. Congressional Research Service. Great, now we're gonna click Select. Now all we need to do is click Save. And boom, there we have it. The PDF has been added into Genie, and you can read it right here inside of the application.